So I think that that's going to make the raw materials necessary to be creative and entrepreneurial cheaper and more available than ever before.
Okay, so I know you're at one of now the big giants in tech, but let me ask you this. How do you think, very honestly, about the concentration of power in technology, especially as it relates to AI? Because one of the things that's fascinating about AI, at least for these large language models, is you need an enormous amount of compute, which means you need an enormous amount of money. And this is not stuff that's being built in a garage anymore. And so the true power has actually gone back to Microsoft. You ended up back at Microsoft. There is Google. Amazon is trying to build an AI. Even OpenAI, which was on its own, decided to ultimately partner with Microsoft. Is this a good thing? Is this a bad thing? Lena Khan and others have looked at it. It's not that there's been wholesale mergers of these things, but even the partnerships unto themselves.
Yeah, look, it makes me very anxious. The reality is everywhere you look, we see rapid concentrations, whether it's in news media and the power of the New York Times, the Financial Times, the Economist, the great news organizations, or whether it's in cities, the concentration of power around a few big metropolitan elite cities, or whether it's in technology companies. And the practical fact is that over time, power compounds. Power has a tendency to attract more power because it can generate the intellectual resources and the financial resources to be successful and outcompete in open markets.